We are using the SolidWorks from past 15 years with the Microsoft Dynamics ERP system. And after going through this seminar, the 3D experience, what I felt like it's a all-in-one platform, and especially this will improve the engineering efficiency, and design errors will be reduced, and the document updation will be accurate, and it will be communicated to all the department effectively. And we will follow many design improvement systems, and design change notes, and we will follow many platforms to communicate that. So with the 3D experience, we can use one platform, and we can communicate the whatever the design change or design implementation immediately to all the department, so that it will be easy to avoid the errors, and it will give a very good effective productivity.